And welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Koinly. Koinly is one of the best crypto tasks tools for beginners and intermediate users, especially if you trade on multiple platforms. Easy to use, powerful automation, but can get expensive and needs manual fixes. You'd get a connection to 400 exchanges and wallets. You can import transaction automatically, and you also generate reports like capital gains, income, or country-specific tax forms. It has a clean interface with easy setup even if you're not to crypto, and supports FIFO and LIFO, which helps optimize tax legally. Also, you can track portfolio, preview taxes, and only pay when exporting reports. But on the other hand, the pricing can get expensive, lacks strong authentication features, and complex transactions like DeFi and NFTs may need editing. From Reddit users, they say you still need to fix errors before filing, meaning don't trust results blindly, always review. And some users complain about needing to pay to export certain data. So it's good for crypto traders, people using multiple exchanges, and beginners who want automation. And it's not ideal for advanced DeFi users, people wanting full manual control, and users needing maximum security features. So Koinly is great, but always review your transaction. Don't rely on 100% on automation, and use it as a tool, not as a final answer. And that's it, guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.